so peaceful, and I'm glad you're here with me. We'll go back. We'll go back. We'll go back. But we got to go on a little bit of an adventure. Got to go on a little bit of an adventure. And you guys came with me. Thank you. Come on to my house, to my house. Let me move my chair back so we can get my camera in the shade. We did it! We did it, guys! And we'll put you back on here. What'd you guys think? Was that fun? That was so much fun, huh? My Diet Coke fell in the sand. Unbelievable, right? Wasn't that so cool? It is a bikini. It's true. You think you want to get married? You're from Paris. Come visit Paris. I've never been. My family's been. My brothers and sisters have been. Square! Thank you. Thank you very much. Outfit choice? Web sling. Let me see. Oh, I couldn't see it. Web. All I got was Web. Thank you for joining my harem, Web. You look amazing. Ah, Jamie, thank you. I'm really sad. My drink fell in the water. And now, let me see. No, it had the lid on it, you guys. We did good. We did good. I'm not gonna die. Oh, that's very impressive. They've got a boat this close. Ah, thank you for following me. 360 Fit Chat. Ah. Miguel, thank you. Am I happy? How could I not be happy here? You like the camera? Am I in Hollywood? No, I'm in Idaho. Thank you. L, and I can't see your last name very well. You didn't see a crocodile. You didn't see a crocodile. Square, thank you for that gift. My beautiful one, Halim, I'm doing good. Titanium, we just went for a walk. I promise we'll go for a walk again. What time is it now? 3:30? We'll go for a walk again for sure at 4. You guys are going to love it. Passport, you are in Houston, Texas. Very nice to meet you, Houston, Texas. Jeffrey, thank you. Flashman, you're never coming back. Oh my gosh. Hi. You're so whoo. I like that. You're so whoo. Am I from Egypt? No, Mohammed, but I love that you think so. Kevin, I am single.